watch the retardation go at this one now. So we got a bus sideways. Oh, cool. There goes Toyota pickup between there. Toyota car, move your fucking car because the two of you guys can't fucking move. The two of you guys are blocking everybody. Fucking Jeep up there is just giving up, apparently. Uh-oh. Big truck. That was a smaller Toyota truck. I don't know if big truck's going to be able to get through. Toyota car, just throw your shit in reverse and clear the fucking way.
I know it's not funny, but...
Oh, it's funny.
Yeah, people trying to back up so he... Really? If these other trucks can go right through and be fine, why can't he go?
I know.
And this car is going to want to back up to you?
I don't know. We got a cop now. And the cop's not... I guess he's talking to the bus driver first. The bus driver's blocking fucking half the road. You're a big ass truck. You ain't fitting through no gap, dude. Holy fuck, this guy's gonna slide right into that car now. Fucking go, 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 go. Quit fucking giving up. Go, just go. Give it gas. Keep on going. Keep on going. Turn your wheels. Go. Go. There you go. You're kind of fucking spinning in the fucking... It's pretty sad that the Prius is getting better fucking traction than the goddamn Jeep up there. This is where I wish I had one of those push bars. Oh my god, finally, move your fucking car. Because now it's all slick as fuck right here. Yay! Yay! That guy, though, it was the one guy in the car trying to go that was like fucking everybody because his car definitely isn't going, and you saw how easily it went into reverse. So it's like, yeah, put your car in fucking reverse and get the fuck out of the way. You know? Just keep on reversing, and when that guy couldn't go, it was like, same thing for you, but Prius just kept on getting close to it.